Hello everyone, this is the Luxury Moscow channel. I'm Elena Semina, a broker and partner at NÍKA ESTATE International. Today, we're at 14 Sadovaya-Sukharevskaya in the Forum Clubhouse. There are only 51 apartments here, 3 duplex penthouses, a spa, swimming pool, gym, and an automated underground parking. But what's most interesting is that the building didn't merely emerge in the historic center, it extended the legendary Forum Electro Theater's story, evolving it into modern architectural art. This modern structure is integrated into the garden ring, serving as a new landmark, yet the historic building's essence is not lost. Take a look at the façade. Each of its pixels is turned at its own unique angle to the sun. This makes for a constant play of light inside and changes the building's look daily. The recessed terraces resemble theater boxes. The city becomes the stage and the resident is both the spectator and the main character. This is a prime example where the architectural concept extends beyond its exterior, directly shaping your perceptions and feelings within your personal apartment. A premium residence begins not with the apartment, but the moment you step inside. And the Forum House is an architectural space with references to Bauhaus and 1930s geometry. The Forum is strategically situated between Sretenka and Tsvetnoy Boulevard. The Bolshoi Theater is just 20 minutes away. This is that rare scenario where you live in the center, not for a formal address, but truly use the city every day. From here, you can walk to Tsvetnoy Boulevard, Rojdestvensky Boulevard, the Apothecary Garden, and the restaurants and intimate bars of Sretenka. There's no need to hop in your car every time you want to grab a coffee, meet up with friends, or simply enjoy an evening out in the city. And here, the contrast is particularly pronounced. Just a few moments take you to the bustling city center, yet upon returning home, you find yourself in a private environment where the city no longer presses in, but rather transforms into a picturesque part of your window's view. For me, the true value of this location lies precisely in that. Moscow here isn't merely a backdrop behind glass, it literally becomes an extension of your everyday life. One of the main features of Forum is its private infrastructure, available only to residents. In essence, a small private club was formed inside. The centerpiece of this space is the swimming pool. Nearby, there are bright fitness and yoga studios. This is a level of comfort where self-care doesn't require separate logistics, offering unparalleled ease. You simply take the elevator down and find everything you need right inside the building. Now let's turn our attention to the most crucial aspect, the apartments. The project offers a very exclusive collection of 51 apartments and 3 duplex penthouses. The floor plans vary greatly, a huge project advantage. There are options for a single person or a couple. There are also full-fledged family apartments with a large kitchen, a walk-in closet, and separate children's wings. The space serves real life. The common area for family and meetings is separate from the private zone. Bedrooms are kept separate unless needed, and storage is integrated into the layout. If you want the latest information on floor plans and prices for the Forum House, or to compare it with other clubhouses in central Moscow, please submit a request using the link in the description below our video. This was Elena Semina, broker for NÍKA ESTATE International and Luxury Moscow. Here we talk about beautiful, unique, and expensive real estate in Moscow and around the world.